Time for parent-teacher conferences. Did you know Google Docs has a pretty simple way to use some style formattings and inserting of bookmarks to be able to link together and create a document that allows you to have jump links built in to be able to go to different parts of your long document. So I have here a 28-page document. Let me try to explain what's going on, and I'll walk you through the steps. So for parent-teacher conferences, I consistently needed to type notes, and I would type them because I can type much faster than I can write. So using my Google Docs, I really like the end result of being able to take this document and remind myself to look at it later using Google Calendar. So what I have here is a titled document that I've inserted a bookmark, inserted a footer, so that I can jump to the top. And then these pieces here are just headings that I've made using the style formatting to be able to create these jump links. So now I have a place to collect all of my notes to where I could actually go to and have the information I'm going to share already typed in, the information I'm going to share with all already prepped and ready, including links to go to student info and examples of work, as well as I could then, any questions the family has that I don't have an answer for right away, I could table and record here and then use a Google Calendar to be able to look at again later. So here's how I got to that point. First, I went to create a new document in my drive. Second, once that new document was made, I typed up a handful of things that would be my template. You'll notice the style formatting says it's all normal text here. From that point on, I did this. I went and made part of it a title. I went and created the student name to be a heading. Next to the title, I inserted a bookmark. Think of this as a location in the document. And then I inserted a footer because my document, I'm expecting it to be quite long. And I typed in very jump top. I did insert link after selecting that text. And then I'm going to choose it to go to that part there. From there, I'm going to copy and paste this as many times as I have students. So if I have 5 students in my class, I would do it 5 times. If I have 30 students in my class, I'd do it 30 times. Then I'm going to change this to be their names. And last, I'm going to go and insert table of contents. And everywhere that there's a heading, it will make it to where I click once, it gives me the link option, click a second time, it jumps to that link. Click once, jumps to that link. And then use the jump to top to get back to the top. So this idea is how I created this document that is 28 pages long, but it allows me to quickly go through each and every one of my students and record the information, yet keep it fairly confidential, as in like only Thomas's family would see Thomas's information on my screen at the moment until I click to go to the next one, and it would sort it in a fairly organized format. Now the other piece, reminding myself to look at it, because like many of you, you take notes and then too much time may pass. So that's where using a Google document and your Google Calendar. So if November 7th is when you have the conferences, I set it as a reminder for December 5th edit this event and I add this attachment, I now have my event reminder ready to roll.